Today we're knocking out a necklace and earring set with SuperDuos and 14-karat gold accents in minutes. String 10 SuperDuos and tie them into a circle to make the flower shape. Make them fall in line. You are the boss of them. Put both thread ends through a gold bead. Stick one thread end through the center of the flower. Tie knots around the foundation thread to hold the gold bead in place. Put a needle on your thread ends and stitch a seed bead in between two SuperDuos. Do it again. And 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 again. Tie a knot around the foundation thread. Make it count. Cut off the extra thread. Make 2 more flowers. Now you have 3. Put a jump ring through one of the seed beads in a flower. Avoid the beads with knots in them. Close the jump ring. Put a bigger jump ring onto the smaller jump ring. Close the jump ring. Slip a 16 to 18 inch piece of gold chain through the big jump ring. Put a clasp on a jump ring. Stick it through the end of the chain. Close the jump ring. Put another bigger jump ring through the other end of the chain. Close the jump ring. Make sure you close all the jump rings, otherwise it will not be a good experience for anyone. Now you have a necklace. Put a jump ring through a seed bead on a different flower. Put an earring hook on the jump ring. Close the jump ring. Put a jump ring through a seed bead on a different flower. It should be your last flower unless you went ham and made more than 3. Put an earring hook on the jump ring. Close the jump ring. Now you have a pair of earrings. Pick up your necklace as well, and now you have an entire jewelry set. Thanks for being here. If you'd like to see a full step-by-step SuperDuo and gold flower tutorial, check that one out over there.